In the air, gone. Looking for the boundary.
It was short, dragged it back, but made sure there was not a lot of room for the left-hander to work with. And that's where he faltered. Good start. Good contribution from the left-hander.
7.4. Short. Now that's gone up a long way. Hasn't got the distance, and the catch is taken. It's a shot that he plays quite well, Brian Bennett, but when it's a lot higher.
It's another breakthrough for Pakistan. Caught high on the bat, looking for elevation. It's not the middle of the bat this time, can only find the outfield. It's the end of Bennett for a well-played 21. Zimbabwe 37 for 2.
And the captain's gone. It's a good length, just nips off the seam, back into the stumps, through the defenses of Raza.
From the start of his spell, the right lines. And, that's that hard in-between length, coming forward, not going back, Raza. You know, he's a player who likes to stand up tall to get on top of the bounce. And that one got underneath the bat. It's the end of the skipper. Zimbabwe 40 for 3.
Oh, now that looks good. It looks very good. Foster Mtizwa lifts the finger. Zimbabwe lose another.
Slower, fuller. And Dion Myers plays all around that, and that's a pretty easy decision. Probably hitting the middle of middle. And not the best of days for Dion Myers. Bit of a struggle for his 3. Great the room he was looking for.
That looks good as well, and it's given. Sufyan Mukim into the attack and strikes in his first over.
A little bit quicker, straighter. Look at it. It's going to turn in on Ryan Bull. Same situation. Looking too square. Knows the ball's turning in. Need to look a little bit straighter. Playing all around that.
In the first T20I. And they've lost another. That is an absolute beauty of a delivery. First up to anybody.
A name that will be around for a long time. Looking at his displays here in Bulawayo, full control of his skill set, perfect pace, perfect line, perfect length.
What a catch! Outstanding. It's been the wrong one that's been causing problems for the Zimbabwean batsman.
It's come out of the front of the hand and it's flat and quick. Found the outside edge. And a good catch for the captain as he picks up his 3rd. Masakadza gone for 3, 52 for 7. Closer to the stumps.
Bowled him. He's got another one. He's getting wickets for fun here at the Queen Sports Club. Ngarava the other.
But this time it's in the line of the stumps and quick. Off the pads, and Ngarava is gone without scoring. 52 for 8.
That'll be out, and it is. Pretty straightforward decision for Foster Mtizwa to make. Zimbabwe lose their 9th.
Ball, and it's in the line of the stumps and full. Catching Richard, sorry, that's a Blessing Zarabani. Goes without scoring. LBW Abraham Ahmed. Zimbabwe 53 for 9.
Oh, he's gone for the slog sweep. It's gone straight up in the air, and Madande is gone. The collapse span just 20 runs. 37 for none, 57 all out, and Mukim feasts on the Zimbabwean batters once again.